Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the lock screen wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy Tab A8. To do it, press and hold on your home screen, then tap on Wallpaper and Style. Then click on your lock screen wallpaper, which is here. And now you can click on Wallpaper. Now you can set it from featured ones, from your gallery if you have any pictures or videos, graphical colors or dynamic lock screen. I'm gonna select the graphical one, this one. You can change the clock style, add contact information, change these two shortcuts, and do more. Here you can change the notification style, that one. I'm gonna change the clock. You can change its color and its style, and then click on Done. And now your lock screen wallpaper has been set, so as you can see, my home screen is unchanged, but my lock screen looks like this. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.